Hi guys, so actually I was just going for a movie and I thought why not, let's just do a very simple, a very classy, a very casual kind of a look. So come on, let's just get ready. So I'm using Lakme Face Magic in the shade Natural Shell because I don't want to be very dressed up for a movie, so using this. Blend it all in. Don't forget to take it down your neck. Well, yeah, so my hair were giving me a lot of problems, so they are tied up. So now I can see a little bit of dark circles. Yes, I'm not being very kind on my sleep. Guilty, Netflix, guilty. So guys, currently I am kind of fixated at The Walking Dead. What are you guys watching? Just let me know. Yeah, so I'm taking my Maybelline Age Reviving Concealer and quickly concealing all of this. We don't want it anything too heavy or too crazy. Be very gentle. If you're using your fingers, be very gentle on your under eyes. Yeah, so I'm just going to powder myself. I am loving this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance. So a good big swirl wherever we've concealed. I'll try and set it so it does not crease. Well, I'm just doing my brows now, ever so lightly. With gentle upward motions, just imitating the pattern of your hair growth. I'm using my Fashion Brow Duo Shaper, and believe me, I'm not using the pencil part of it, just the smudger. It has a little powder, so basically it is best for beginners. You just can't go wrong with it. And when you are in a jiffy, this is your best bet. So basically you can say the look that I'm doing is a look that you can do within 2 minutes, very quickly, your go-to look. Guys, I'm really sorry, this is in evening time. It's almost 7. The lighting is a bit crazy. So I'm using one of my favorite Kajal, which is Colossal, and using it on my waterline and tightlining my eyes. So as I said, the kohl is a staple for all office going, college going girls. So to complete the whole look of, you need to tightline your eyes. It will make all the difference required. Guys, can you see the difference? I hope the camera is picking this up, but what a huge difference. This eye looks so complete without a liner, and this doesn't, right? So guys, for my eyeliner, I'll be using two different colors. So one is blue. This is from Deborah Milano in the shade blue. And one of my favorite Lakme Absolute Shine Line in the shade black. Okay, so I'm trying to make it a little edgy. Let's see how successful I get in it. So I'm trying to fill this part, this triangle, with blue. So guys, I'll quickly complete my other eye off camera because I'm really running short of time. So guys, I'm done with both of my eyes, and as always, one of my eye is a little tad prettier than the other. I have also given a hint of blue in my inner corners to match my blue outfit. And so once again, I'm using one of my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Falsies, and taking off all the extra product, and let's get started. So guys, if you get a little bit of mascara just like I did, when you are in a hurry, do not fear. Do your other eye. Till then the mascara gets dried up and it gets off easily. So I'm almost done with my look, and now yeah, I just wanted to bring the glam back on. Basically this is a highlight stick, and let's get our glam face on. And we're almost done. Just a dash of color on our lips and we're good to go. So guys, lighting got really sad, so I had to change my plans. So I'm using this ColourPop lipstick in the color Split on my lips, and I'll try to do it filming. So guys, this is my final look. Get your glam on. Can you see my highlights popping? So now I'm quickly going to do my hair and I'll be rushing out. Guys, I totally forgot my blush, so I'm taking the same shade. So guys, I'm going for a movie, Ant-Man and the Wasp. It will be again an amazing Marvel experience. I'll get back to you on that. So for now, to-dos.